This is the heart of Myeongdong, the street market here in Seoul, Korea. It's shopping, but the best part is the nighttime with all the lights. O yan, enjoy si Mami Cora. Mami ang konti, sasayaw na yan. Wow, ganito karami ang tao sa Myeongdong gabi-gabi. Itong nightlife. Ayan. Okay, sundan natin si Billy at saka si Ma'am Cora. Ayun, naglalakad dito sa Myeongdong. Wow, yan talaga yung mga street market. Daming tao, mga Koreans. And when you get tired, just go to a coffee shop or drink some Hey tea. Ayan, gusto na umuwi. Mami mo. At syempre, meron ding ice cream. Ayun, si Ma'am Cora pumasok sa massage. Wow. Oh, wow, daming tao. Okay, so let's check the food. Come here because of the food, the shopping, and the cheap food that they have. Look at that, huh? Spicy. Uy, talaga naman, oh. Daming spicy food, oh. Wow, sarap yan. Masarap ang mga pagkain dito.
Come on, 안녕하세요. 다음으로 라스트, 안녕하세요. 다음으로 라스트, 안녕하세요. 다음으로 라스트, 안녕하세요.
Ito, halal food, oh. Mga nakastick, oh. Halal food. Looks good, huh? Food street, shopping, and hotels all around Myeongdong. Talaga naman. Sa wakas. Ha? Ito, mukhang masarap din to. Oh, finally, we get to see Whiskey Billy. Ay, kumakain na naman sila. Oh, eating again. Wow. Cole, anong kinakain mo, Cole?
Churro.
Churro. Oh, kayo Billy, anong kinakain nyo? Ha?
Sweet star chicken.
Chicken na naman? Oh, wow. Mukha naman talaga masarap. Siyempre, specialty, fried chicken. Noah, enjoy the street food? Huh? What's your favorite?
No more?
I've only had one.
Oh, why don't you order more?
We're still walking.
Huh? There's a lot of choices. So much street food. Ayan, sharing. Oh. Grabe, walang ending to, ah. Ayan, si Noah, may gusto yatang ibili, no? Tinatawag si Cole. Ano kaya nakita nila? Oh, pagkain na naman. Oh. Ah, mukhang ano yan, Cole, ah. Oh, sarap yan, Cole. Uy, yan yung kinain natin kanina, ah. Yan yung kinain natin kanina, ah. Ano yan? Squid, ah. Oh, may steak pa, oh. 15,000 lang. Oh, looks yum. Oh, wow. Mukhang masarap yan, Cole. Octopus. Talagang maraming octopus dito sa Korea, no, ah. Ayan, oh, si ano, oh. Noah. Katingin, oh. Katingin si Noah, oh. Mukha naman talagang masarap yung octopus na yan. Kailangan maganda luto. Uy. Ito masarap. Ano yan? Sweet potato. That's good. Sweet potato. Yummy ang sweet potato. Pinagputol niya, oh. Mukhang malambot nga naman, oh. Pinagputol niya. Uy, butter ba kinabit? Oh, nauna na stall. Oh, patingin si Noah. Uy, may hotdog pa pala siya. Hotdog, hamburger, tsaka squid.
Steak.
Ah, steak ba yan? Galing ha? Ayun, sinusunog niya si Octopus. Oh, ganun pala, sikreto. Oh, daming vloggers. Noah, vlogger na rin sa Noah. Oh. Ah, yung signboard pala niya, may nakalagay na steak, oh. Yung signboard na may nakalagay na steak. Oh, inaabangan talaga ni Cole yung pagkain, oh. Oh. How much is it, Cole?
10,000.
10,000 lang? Ganyan katagal ang luto? Oh my God. Mura yan. I'll make you famous in the Philippines. Yeah, make it famous. Ah, yun nga lang, walang pangalan yung tindahan niya. Steak, 15,000 lang. Octopus. Ah? Yeah, 15. But octopus is 10,000. Oh, oh yan. Oh, anong kinabit na sauce? Oh, tatanong kung spicy o hindi. Oh. Oh, okay. Ayos na? Oh. What did you say? What did you say in Korean? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say in Korean? What did you say? Huh? What did you say? Samsabida. Ah, samsabida. Oh, ano naman 'tong binibili nyo? Ha? Ah, what's that? Takoyaki. Eh, di ba dapat Korean ang binibili? Eh, Japanese yan eh. Oh, Japanese food. Eh, nasa Korea tayo. You like takoyaki?
Yeah.
Ah, you like? Oh, okay. I thought you wanted to eat only Korean because we're in Korea. All right. Matakaw din pala to si ano? Si Noah. Pero mas matakaw si Billy. Eh, di pala si Cole. Mas malakas kumain. Okay, the more you walk, the more you get hungry. Dito sa ang laki nito. Kahit 3 hours, di mo mauubos to. Kasi may mga malalaking mall pa. Oh, ayan, oh, isang mall yan na malaki. Oh, wow, egg bread, huh? So you want to go here? It's called Myeongdong HGA Dash Jill here in Seoul, Korea. Bye.